Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Are you getting ready for the festive season? Looking for a delicious treat that's perfect for both Christmas and Yalda Night? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be whipping up some adorable pomegranate-shaped cookies that are not only a feast for the eyes but also a delightful bite. But before we dive into the recipe, let's take a quick moment to learn about Yalda Night. Yalda Night, also known as Shabi Yalda, is a beautiful Persian tradition celebrated on the winter solstice, the longest night of the year. It's a time for families and friends to gather, share stories, poems, and of course, delicious food. Pomegranates, with their vibrant red seeds, are a symbol of abundance and life, making them a popular Yalda treat. Now, let's get back to those cookies. We'll be using simple ingredients and easy techniques to create these festive treats. So grab your mixing bowls and preheat your oven, because it's time to bake some Yalda magic. Join our notification squad by hitting the bell icon. Sifted 3 times powdered sugar 100 grams. Room temperature butter 100 grams. Confectioner's flour 340 grams. 1 egg. A pinch of salt.
For supporting us, just like this video and send it for everyone who should bake these delicious cookies for you.
First, beat the butter, room temperature, with the sifted powdered sugar until it is completely soft and smooth. Then add the eggs and vanilla and beat until the eggs are mixed. Then add the salt with some flour and mix. Turn off the mixer and gradually add the flour and knead until the dough no longer sticks to your hands. It is not a problem if all the flour is not used, because the amount of flour is approximate. So we continue until it does not stick to your hands. Then divide it into several parts and put it in the freezer. If you want your dough to be colored, now is the time to color and knead. Be careful not to overmix the dough so that the butter gives back and spoils. And roll it out to a diameter of 1 centimeter. After rolling it out, let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours and then transfer it to greaseproof paper or nonstick paper and cut it with a cutter. Then, if you have an electric oven, Set the oven to 180 degrees, or if you have an electric oven, set it to 160 degrees on the middle shelf of the oven and turn on the low flame only and bake for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. Congratulations, you have a cookie with a memorable smell and taste.